Thank you, Jawad, for recording the session. It helps us review what we discussed, what we did in those sessions. And yes, my name is Hamas Siddiqui. Thank you very much for joining in. So the team we have that is gradually growing, and this is the third cohort. And from the first cohort, we have Moeed, who is unable to join in today because of some family issues. Um, he is my co-host, co-mentor, whatever you may call him. He has graduated in the first batch. In the second batch, we have Nasib from Bangladesh. Nasib, you're there? Yes. Yeah, Nasib is there, and he graduated in the second cohort, and he is now learning to become my co-host. So we will learn from him. Ideally, um, it has to be a collective effort. It is not me talking. It has to be everyone sharing knowledge and growing together. And as I said, our main focus in this whole exercise, which will be 12 weeks, is to work even with just one or two people who are committed to their growth. As simple as that. And Nasib, if you allow me, I really give your example to many people. So Nasib joined in, and in about 3 weeks' time, he had some health issues. But he did not take a day off. So he was there, and I could spot that he was not well. He could not speak. He had a mild stroke. His face was a bit, D-shaped because of the stroke, but he was there. He did not miss even a single session. And that is the level of commitment which is required to grow in your career, in your life, and become successful. I hope everybody who is with me today, these 6 people, it's Jawad, me, and Nasib, so I'm just taking them out, 6 people. I hope you all will continue throughout the next 12 weeks, and we all grow together, as simple as that. So what we will do, we will go around the table, and we will take a bit of introduction from everyone. Now, if you are not comfortable in talking in English, you can always talk in Urdu. I know Nasib can understand a little bit of Hindi because Hindi songs are famous everywhere, even in Bangladesh.
Yes.
But if you can speak in English, that is good. But if you can't, please don't hold yourself back, and share what you have to share. Ask what you want to ask. So I will take names, and one by one, you just have to introduce yourself. My name is Hamas Siddiqui. This is what I do, and this is my ambition in my career, and this is what I want to achieve in the next 12 weeks. And I will take names based on whoever I see in front of me. So Mohammad Jawad, you are number 1. Can you please unmute yourself? And if you want to turn on your camera also, we'll be able to see who you are. If you can't, then it's okay too.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
My name is Mohammad Jawad, and I am based in Karachi, Pakistan. I currently work in Pakistan State Oil, and I am employed in finance department and working in the tax and VAT department. So basically, my work is mostly focused on the niche of tax and legal compliance.
Right.
What I feel is this is a very cornered niche where people are seen as a little bit backward, a little bit. You can say that
Introvert.
introvert. But what I want to accomplish is I want to couple it with some data analysis softwares like Python and R, and use some basic machine learning and AI tools to carve a USP, unique selling point, where a finance and tax background person combines data science skills and then presents a unique selling proposition to a company as an employer, and we may consider offering services to other people in the long run. So
Okay.
currently, I am learning with an institute who will start teaching who will start sessions from 1st January for 45 days. So I intend to uh, first learn the data science in first 6 weeks, and then start practicing it and start implementing it both in my job and elsewhere as well.
Okay, great. Jawazab, how much fee are you paying for this course? If you just, because I'm picking it up because there is a reason behind that. How much fee are you paying for the course?
So basically, it is an international program. So I am not aware of the international charges, but they have charged in introductory 7,500
Okay.
for Pakistan people.
Okay. So is this with Al Nafe?
No, they
Okay.
are AI data yard. I
Yeah,
did
yeah.
try to learn from Al Nafe, but they are lagging a little bit behind.
Okay. So 7,500 rupees you are investing, and you're investing your time.
Yes.
This is what I really wanted to pick, because if you want to grow, we have to invest our time and we have to invest money. That's the only way we can grow. So thank you very much. Next in front of me is Noman. Yes, Noman. I can't hear you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, thank you for providing this platform. My name is Noman Ahmed. Obviously, you can see. I live in Peshawar. I'm graduate of electrical engineering in 2020. But I somehow, due to interest and current job market, I just switched my career from being electrical engineer to a software engineer, and I chose a web development career. I just invested my time and money on a Udemy course where I learned some basics of web development, and then I have joined a company, software company here in Peshawar, where I am currently working as an intern in Node.js. And my goal is to be just independent in just developing softwares to make myself that much efficient to work independently as a freelancer. And my ultimate goal is just to make an agency.
Okay. So thank you, Noman. I think you have probably joined me from my Facebook page or group. And some of,
Exactly.
right. So some of you may be using terminologies that you have learned through Extreme Commerce, which is freelancing. And just like open up your mind beyond freelancing. If we are in an environment, we start using that lingo, that language. If you want to grow, we have to use language which is beyond that small community. Yeah. So the way I see you growing, maybe, if you start implementing the right processes in your way, because you are an engineer already, you have you have the education and the skills that can take you to a very higher position. Stop using freelancing, start using entrepreneurship. Okay. Freelancing is a
Okay,
very
sir.
small component of a much larger picture, which is entrepreneurship. Okay. So
Okay.
so that's one thing for you. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Next
sir.
in front of me is Umair Mahmood. Umair, are you there? Next is Farooq Khan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm audible.
Ji, Umair, I'll call you next after Farooq.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So Farooq, you go ahead first.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Farooq and I am from Wakand. Currently, I am teaching in a private technical college for 3 years, and I have background of electrical engineering. My issue is that since there are less opportunities for growing in the technical field, that I have only 1 or 2 technical colleges in the area. So this is my issue, and
What do you
that's
teach?
why
What do
I
you
am
teach?
here.
What do you teach?
I teach electrical subjects like AC machines, generators, that sort of things.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. I have
And
something.
and another issue that it is underpaid. The main issue is
You
that
know
job
what?
is underpaid.
You know what? Um, even if somebody is earning ₹500,000, that person
Yes,
will say, I'm underpaid and overworked. Okay. So
right.
express gratitude, shukrana da karo, whatever you're getting, it's enough to pay for your food and for your living. Okay. So that's shukrana is the first thing. Once we
Right,
start
sir, right.
offering shukrana, then the growth comes. Okay. So
Correct.
don't worry, it will come. It will come. We have to be strategic. And by the way, I'm not sure if everybody, I mean, I know Naseeb won't know that anyways. Wah, the name of Wah is Urdu ka Wah, really praising something. And
Yes,
and the water in Wah, those chashme जिसे कहते हैं ना, these waters,
yes, sir.
the water is very tasty and chilled water
Yes,
almost. And I remember
yes,
in that bath that you have in Wakand, there's a tree
yes, sir.
which is actually 2 trees together. So
Yeah, yeah,
I
yes,
I
sir.
went
Right,
I went to Wa like when I was I think in 82 or 84, so long time ago. Anyways, so thanks
right.
for bringing those memories back, Farooq. Yes,
Right.
Umar, please go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, it's Umar, not Umair. My name is Umar
Umar,
Mahmood,
okay, ठीक है,
and
ठीक,
I'm from Rawalpindi, Pakistan.
sure.
Sir, basically, I will try to open up as much as possible because I'm seeking an assistance from you or anything you can say that.
Mhm.
So, sir, I did metric in sciences and then FSc and then graduation BA in arts, and I've recently done MCS.
Mhm.
And I have deep interest in computer sciences and that kind of stuff, web research and SEO, that sort of things.
Okay.
But sir, there has been a problem that I have done 3 government jobs. Government job has been a dream for
Hmm.
people in the Pakistan. But I have done 3 government jobs, but left every time. I always felt that that's not my cup of tea. Then I left the jobs and tried freelancing and gained some expertise in SEO and digital marketing and web research. I did good, but now I feel like I'm nowhere. I'm not into any single niche. I'm not into a streamlined path. I'm quite confused.
Okay.
So I have skills, but I don't know how to channel them. I
All
tried
right.
Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, everything, but I have not achieved what I wanted.
Hmm.
And it's also difficult for me to communicate with the people, like socialize with the people. So these are my issues.
तो अभी तो
This is
बोल
my
रहे हो,
con-
अभी तो ठीक बोल रहे हो, तो you don't know me, but you're talking. अभी कैसे बोल रहे
But sir, attending workshops and physically meeting new people.
हो? Okay, that's not a big deal actually. There are certain things that. So what is introvert and extrovert? We hear this all the time. I'm introvert or I'm an extrovert. These are just two terminologies that are being fed in our head. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, once somebody starts saying that you are an introvert, you become an introvert. If somebody says I'm an extrovert, or you are an extrovert, you become an extrovert. Every human being is born with the same qualities. Okay, all these qualities develop as we grow. So change ho jati hai. Okay,
I agree.
so and you can reverse everything also. So you are part of a community. If this community stays together, 6 to 8 people, you will see how others are growing, and you can grow with them. Now, one of the things human being or even animals, we all are greedy. That's the fact. So the difference is that human being is more greedier than an animal. Animal is only greedy for food. Human being is greedy for many things. So, and we will learn it. So you will find an improvement. You will find that you will start doing things, and we will hear from Naseeb after we have done the introduction as to what his journey had been in this fellowship program. Anas Saab, you are joining in after 26 minutes. So, and we are very strict in this fellowship program. If we are committed, we are committed, which means we committed to a time, we have to be there. So this is just an introductory session. So we are open to everyone who joins in even 15 minutes before we close. But next sessions, if you are not there within 5 minutes, we will not enter anyone because I'm sitting that far. If I am committed, then I would expect everyone to be committed too. So, but welcome to this the session. What we are doing, we're just taking the introduction at the moment. Next is now what's this NCS? I don't know. What I see is NCS. Can you please introduce yourself? NCS.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, my name is Mohammed Sarfraz. I am from district Khushab. I
नाम
have
आपका नहीं पता
done
चल रहा मुझे,
BSIT
so नाम दोबारा, नाम आप chat
from
box पे लिख दें
University
please.
of Sargodha.
Can you please put your name in the chat box because I can't hear you. I can't hear your
Sir,
name.
my name is Mohammed Sarfraz.
आप signals ठीक नहीं है शायद.
Sir, I am living in remote area.
That's okay.
why
आप मुझे बताएं आप
that's why
क्या करते हैं, क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या आपका एम्बिशन है इस फेलोशिप से?
Sir, I have done BSIT honors from University of Sargodha in 2011.
Okay.
Then I have joined different companies at a different position, like as a MPO in Unilever Pakistan, then as a resident engineer in Orasec System प्राइवेट कंपनी है. उसके बाद सर मैंने ज्वाइन किया पंजाब लैंड रिकॉर्ड अथॉरिटी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ. तो सर अब मैं सर कर रहा हूँ एज ए सर्विस इंचार्ज इन पंजाब लैंड रिकॉर्ड अथॉरिटी इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट मियाँ वाली. तो सर मेरा था कि मैं जो अपना करियर है वो स्विच करना चाह रहा था, यहाँ से आउटसाइड जाना चाह रहे हैं, अपनी कंट्री से स्विच करना
बाहर जाना चाह रहे हैं.
और मैं अपनी फील्ड जो सर मैंने ट्राई की थी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मेरा स्टूडेंट वीज़ा नहीं हुआ. फिर मैंने नॉर्वे के लिए ट्राई की स्पॉन्सरशिप के, वो भी नहीं हुआ. तो मैं यानी कि अपने फील्ड में अब मैंने यानी कि आईडीमिया आईटी की कंपनी है सर, उसमें ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि किसी तरीके से मेरी यानी कि उसमें जॉब हो जाए आईटी के रिलेटेड.
मैं आपको बताऊं आप ओके मैं समझ गया आपका इशू समझ गया.
डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट इंजीनियर का, नेटवर्क इंजीनियर का.
ठीक है, सुन आप मेरी बात सुने.
जी सर.
देखिए इंटरनेशनल काम करने के लिए पहली चीज होती है आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स.
जी सर.
ओके नाउ if you are I mean the way I see it, your communication is not good, so your objective should be to build to improve your communication skills first, which is language skills. ठीक है, because बाहर so आप probably Dubai, Saudi, Qatar यहाँ तो शायद जाके काम कर सकते हैं because a lot of Indians and Pakistanis work there, so maybe you will be able to survive. But going to a country where the language is not even English, Norwegian है, how would you survive? Or for instance, Germany is technologically very advanced, but how would you survive if you don't even know English properly, right? So बहुत सारे ambition हमारे वो होते हैं जो हम शायद सिर्फ ambition या dreams होते हैं, but realistically क्या हम उसे achieve कर सकते हैं? If we are वो कहते हैं ना मिराज के पीछे अगर आप भागते हैं ना, शराब जो होता है, तो शराब तो मिलता नहीं है आपको. So what you would lose is even enjoying your current life if you just run after mirage. So इसमें हम देखते हैं किस तरीके से आपको सब मिलके हेल्प करते हैं to come out of this situation. But just going abroad is not an ambition. This is, I won't even call it an ambition, right? So you have to be more broader in your ambition as we go along. ठीक है जी, चलें. Good. Thank you for joining in. इतनी दूर से आपने join किया है, and I hope you will continue. Next with me is Saqib Chatta. Saqib, can you unmute yourself and introduce, please? Yes.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, sir? Fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Well, yes, this is Mohammed Saqib Chatta, and I have done BSIT recently. I mean, 3 months ago from Arid Agriculture University in Rawalpindi, right? And the thing is that why I joined this session, and I followed you about a month ago, I believe. That's all. The main purpose to join you is to learn the things, you know, because I have done, you know, a call center job for more than 5 years. It was before I get admission in my university, you know. So I've done a lot there. And right now, as I've done my degree, just due to my finances, you know, my home finances, I got to feed my family. That's why I don't get that much opportunity to follow my career. You understand? Because
क्या कर रहे हो अभी
yeah,
आप? What are you doing at the moment?
now हाँ जी वही बस कॉल सेंटर जॉब भी कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऐसा है कि कॉल सेंटर जॉब जो है वो मेरी एक बेसिक नीड है.
That's okay. ठीक है. Okay, so what you are looking at is a career path going forward, right? कि career path कैसे define करो अपना? We lost you, Saqib. Okay. We'll go to Anas. Anas, can you unmute yourself and introduce, please?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I was a little late.
No problem.
I was doing something.
बताइए. Introduce yourself, please.
Yes, sir. My name is Anas, and I have done civil engineering from NUST in 2019. When I graduated, the COVID-19 also comes with in 2019. And you know, in the field of civil engineering, mostly the work is on site.
Right.
And at that time, all the big companies were expelling their current employees, and because of that period, I could not get the job, and I decided to go toward the civil service exam. And I I studied the civil service education during almost till 2021, February 2021. I sit in the exam in 2021. Then, sir, after that, I did a course in data science from LUMS, and that's how I've changed my my studies because of this coronavirus, because I wanted a job which I could do from home. And at that time, this data science was a thing which I thought could make me able to do a job from home. And after doing that course for 6 months, when I came to the market, I could not hunt a job properly. After that, I decided to join VBC, Video Boot Camp of Extreme Commerce, and I started learning about e-commerce whole structure, its private label and wholesale model, all models. If I talk generally, and now the goals which I had during the degree are changed, and I want to build a business in e-commerce market like Amazon in US market. And so the main purpose for me to join here is to make me able uh, to make me able to do a business which is not my field, because as a civil engineer I can't even imagine what is business and what all these domains are. But as I have gone through this evolution, I want to believe better. I I just want that कि कि मैं इसमें और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ूं। और अभी मैं जैसे ही ये मेरी फील्ड चेंज होती गई तो मुझे ये प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन और इस तरह की चीज़ें बीच में, आपको पता है कोरोना की वजह से भी काफ़ी डिप्रेशन भी यहाँ पे आया। तो ये बीच में अब मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मेरा फुल ध्यान बिजनेस की तरफ रहे। मैं
Okay.
सिविल
ठीक है, I got your
तो सिविल
point.
कुछ
Thank you
चुन रहा
very
हूँ।
much, Anas. Got your point. Who else has just joined us? Mohammed Sarfaraz. Okay, so Mohammed Sarfaraz साहब, okay, let him just connect. जी, साकिब एक मिनट में आपको लेता हूँ. Sarfaraz साहब, what we are doing introduction. Just a sound of caution here is that you're joining at 37 minutes late. Today is the introductory session, so we are allowing people to join in. But in the next session, anybody coming in after 5 minutes will not get access. Because this shows you have to show commitment, right? So we all have to show commitment. Okay, so Sarfaraz Saab, can you please introduce yourself? Your mic is already turned on. If you want to turn on your camera also, please tell us who you are and why do you think this fellowship will help you. Sarfaraz Saab, can you hear me? Sarfaraz Saab, can you hear me? All right, so we had Ji Chata Saab, aap bataiye, Saqib, you wanted to say something? You got disconnected, yeah? Sarfaraz Saab, you need to wait now. You need to wait, Sarfaraz. Saqib, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Ji.
The mobile got powered off, so I must apologize for
No
that.
problem. No
Yeah,
problem.
so I was talking that the call center job, it's my basic need right now
Okay.
as well, because
That's
it
fine.
finance,
That's fine.
my home, and
Fine.
I gotta feed my family and myself
Yeah.
as well. So I gotta do a job right now.
Okay.
I can be free for even a one day. I can't be at that, right?
Yes.
So I just wanna do something else. I have done over 5 years for this call center industry, and I think I'm done with it right now.
Yeah.
And I don't find anything right the moment that I do work on it, and that helped me with my finances.
Okay.
Because I see जैसे मैंने BS IT की हुई है ना, तो अगर मैं प्रोग्रामिंग की फील्ड में भी जाता हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली जो फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स लगते हैं वो इंटर्नशिप पर लगेंगे। मेरे फर्स्ट 3 मंथ्स मुझे कोई पे नहीं मिलेगी। 8-10
ठीक है,
हजार
मैं
15
अब मुझे समझ में आ गया what आपका इशू जो है, and inshallah we'll try to work around it. And I feel myself lucky to have Jawad Saab in this group also, because he brings an experience, and experience is valuable, and hopefully we'll be able to help you all out. So this gentleman has left, Sarfaraz, that's okay. Don't let Jawad, अब कोई भी आएगा, don't let them. चलिए हमने कहा तो एक साहब आ गए. Ehtisham साहब, can you please introduce yourself, and you are joining in after 40 minutes of this session.
One more thing, sir.
जी एक मिनट. Next session, this is just an introductory session. If anyone who is not showing commitment will not be entertained. I mean, I'm being very straight and I'm being very honest on this, because if we all are here at whatever the time is, and if somebody is joining in 40 minutes late, it's like, kyun bhai? ठीक है, so I would request Ehtisham Saab, please introduce yourself, what you do and how you think this fellowship will help you. And Saqib will come to you later. Ji, unmute yourself, please.
Sorry. Assalamu alaikum.
Ji, walaikum.
This is Disham Atik, and I am currently a student of Dow University, and there I am pursuing hospital management and electives की बारी आई है मेरी select करने की, तो my goal is that कि I'll be selecting HR as a domain. और जैसा कि आपने पूछा कि ये मेरा सेशन जो है ये किस तरह हेल्प करेगा, तो I really don't know कि मैं basically I am a type of person who is currently searching for stuff, who is currently मैं एक रास्ता ढूंढना चाह रहा हूँ,
Explore कर रहे हैं आप, ठीक है, good.
मैं अब एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ बिल्कुल,
Okay.
तो इसलिए आई एम हियर कि मैं चीजों को और एक्सप्लोर करूँ और मैं नए लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करूँ,
ठीक है,
मजा आएगा मतलब।
गुड. सो मजा जब आएगा जब आप टाइम पे आएंगे, ठीक है, बिकॉज एनीबडी मैं गुजारिश कर दूं उसमें, anyone who is not coming on time and not showing up because we are marking attendance. मैंने शुरू में जैसे कहा जो लोग थे मौजूद, if I am giving my time to help the community grow and do something differently, then the community has to show the same commitment. Anybody who is not showing commitment, you know, वो entertainment नहीं होगी उसकी उस तरह से, ठीक है ना? So we will work together, inshallah. This is a 12 weeks program, और today is the introductory session. And introduction में मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, you know, कि आपके issues क्या हैं, किस तरह से, and it's more or less what I hear from people. This is the third cohort, so we have already done 2 cohorts before. More or less same hoti hai. Adil Saab, you have just joined in 42 minutes after the session had started. So as I said, Ihtisham Saab ko main keh raha tha कि this time around, okay, we are allowing it. From next session, anybody not coming within 5 minutes will not be entered into the session because you know, we all have to show commitment. Ji Sarfraz Saab, if your audio is working, can you please introduce yourself, and then we'll go to. No, he can't connect. Okay, Adil Saab, can you, Sayyid Ali Hassan, sorry. Ali Hassan Saab, can you please introduce yourself? You have to unmute, I guess, yeah.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Yes, sir. Sayyid Ali Hassan here.
Ji, please go ahead.
Actually, I've just reached from the office. I hope you know the situation, traffic situation in Karachi, especially. There's some protests going, so that's why.
Okay.
Apologies for the.
No problem. We'll create. So what we are doing, we are creating a WhatsApp group for third cohort, and anybody has an issue should inform us in that group. Okay,
Right.
so Jawad, who is our you know, somebody's managing. I won't call him an intern. He is no longer an intern, but he's managing it. He is going to create a WhatsApp group for everyone, and then it will be easier for you. If you can't make it, if there's a genuine issue, please, you know, we all can have genuine issue, but we have to be very committed. Ji, bataiye Ali, what do you do and what your ambitions are?
Sir, actually, there were some glitches. Just a minute, please. Can you say that again?
What I'm saying, आप क्या करते हैं और आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, जरा explain कर दें.
ओके सर, मैं जो हूँ वो असिस्टेंट मैनेजर हूँ IT सिक्योरिटी एंड गवर्नेंस इन सोनारी बैंक, और मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, इट्स you know,
you are not sure
at this moment. I'm
That's okay.
Actually I'm just feeling a little bit hesitate in expressing since I'm in cyber security domain, so obviously in the longer course I would like to be a director or CISO of some big 4 firms, especially in EU region or North American region, like I had said in filling the form.
Right.
it's my goal, or my ambition.
Okay, that's okay. That's
So
doable.
yeah.
That's doable. सारी चीजें doable हो सकती हैं. Sarfaraz साहब is keep coming back. I think he has. Jawad, let him in. But now is the time that we hear from Naseeb Hussain. Naseeb is from the last cohort, and he graduated to become my co-host. So co-hosting sessions with me, and eventually he will have his own cohort. He's in Bangladesh. He is from Bangladesh. Naseeb, so you're very briefly what you do, and what did you, so when you started, what was your starting point in the cohort, and what did you achieve in the whole process? I know you can do it pretty quickly, so you have 2 minutes. Please listen to him, because this is just such a fascinating thing, and I really enjoy when I see things, when I see people even taking baby steps to grow in their lives. Naseeb, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Hi everyone, how are you all? Sir, I have some issues on my cameras. That's
okay.
why I turned it off.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Okay, how are you all? I think all are sound, health and mind, and these are the most precious gift for us from the Almighty. I am Naseeb from Bangladesh. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation on genetic engineering and biotechnology from University of Chittagong, Bangladesh, and currently working as consultant, sales and marketing department at a multinational company, Berger Paints Bangladesh Limited. So this is my intro, and I am really honored to be a part of this career fellowship program. Thank you, Sir Ahmad Siddiq, to give me that opportunity, this great opportunity. So I'm going to tell you just shortly, very shortly, that how's my journey with this fellowship program, second cohort with Sir Ahmad Siddiq. My first career fellowship started at 5th November. 5th November this year. Almost 1.5 months. At first session, I was invited, just like you are all doing now, introduction. And one thing I will tell you, but I want to tell you that this fellowship just upgrades my inner strength at a certain level, which is beyond my imagination. I don't know how can it possible, but now I am an author of an ebook. This is really awesome for me, and really feeling blessed. And when the first time I was told to write an ebook, Sir Ahmad Siddiq just told me to write this. So I was just shocked that can I write it? But the guidance of our mentor just made me write it, and now I am an author. And previously, 1 month or 2 months earlier, after now, I have just getting many job opportunities to grow my LinkedIn profile, to connect with them. So now I feel much better from before. One thing I believe that success needs time and commitment. There is no shortcut in our life. This is a quote from our sir, our mentor. No shortcuts. So we have committed and invest time, which are essential to reach our goals. This fellowship program just lead us to our goals, but we need to be committed. Successful people surrounding us, their gossips, their attitude, their body languages, their speeches, everything are full of knowledge. They not need to teach us, but we need to focus on them. We have to learn the core lessons from them. But we are very lucky that we have Sir Ahmad Siddiq, and this is that's all, and this is my short intro. Sir, please.
Thank you, Naseeb. And interestingly, I always put people into difficult situations. And once you are in a difficult situation as a human being, you will try to deal with it. Some won't try to deal with it and they will not be successful. Anybody who tries to deal with that situation will be successful. And why I'm saying that? I did not tell Naseeb that I'm going to ask you to share your journey with a new cohort. And the reason was I wanted him to be original. So I remember when we started the session, he was as confused as you all are at this point. Other than Jawad Saab, because Jawad Saab, I think, has got a very defined, well-defined, objective. Rest of you do not have a well-defined objective. You have certain objectives, but those objectives are not well-defined objectives. So let's begin this whole process by taking a step back and rethinking everything. We get inspired by certain things, but those certain things may not be the right things. So open up your mind, open up your thinking process, and that will actually bring in more opportunities. And this is the ambition for this fellowship program. And think about it. Jawaz, how many people applied for the fellowship this time, this cohort?
Sir, about
120.
209.
200,
Yes,
more than 200. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so more than 200. We only advertised it for once. There was just one form that I wanted them to fill up. 200, more than 200 people. When we sent the second form, only 38 filled up. And today, only 9 showed up. Or 8, in fact, because Naseeb, Jawad, and myself have to be there. So this is the level of commitment. Anybody who wants to win has to have the highest level of commitment. When you have the highest level of commitment, opportunities will unfold, and in fact, fall into your lap because you're committed. A lot of us, and because I sometimes see things in these group discussions happening on Facebook, a lot of us think so negatively or so myopically, choti soch. And that choti soch keeps us on hold. We can't grow. Some of us only look at the most grown up people, like, most successful people. And they don't realize that they were successful because they had put in a lot of efforts, energy, learning, and money into doing things. Some of us don't have money, but what we have is, if we have that, passion to grow and commitment. And this fellowship is for everyone who has passion to grow and commitment. मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, because I'm doing it for the community. Anybody who joins it, we did in the first one we had people from Nigeria also. It's all like a global program. Eventually, it will be converted into a global program, which means that you all hopefully will have network all over the world. I mean, I have my own network. If some of you, somebody saying possibility on Sunday not possible. Maybe Saturday is possible, but Sunday is not possible because of my own commitment. We can probably change the time if that is one thing that is, we can probably do an hour later for you all to be able to join in. But that's something that you need to tell us. If you want 1 hour later, we can do that too. For me, this is the ideal time, but I can adjust that if you want, just the timing. Why I kept Friday? Because Friday is the time when I'm fully committed to this program. I don't do anything else, although, like, if I tell you today, I woke up at 6:30 for Fajr, and then I did not sleep because I had some calls, and I'm working on developing on a almost done actually, working on a course. I had to edit that some of the portions of that course, so I'm constantly working. But what I did that this hour, 15 minutes before that, I stopped doing everything because I really want to focus on this program and how do we do the best possible show, as I call it, every time when they come. So let's discuss if you all think, or majority of think, that if we move it to 1 hour ahead, it will help you join in time. We can experiment that, but it will be Friday. Saturday maybe, but preferably Friday only. All right, so hopefully we all are committed. This is the first introductory session. What I would request, see, we can grow if we work together and learn from each other. What I see in this group, there is tremendous potential. See, Naseeb did his biotechnology, whatever, and then he is in customer service. Yeah, and he is excelling in customer service. He has explored his potential, and he has experimented with things nobody told him to experiment before. So people can tell you to become a data scientist. People can tell you to become a freelancer. People can tell you to become, Amazon expert. But that's it. That's it. You have to do everything yourself to reach to your goal. So in this fellowship program, as we go along, we will define our path and simply start strategizing everything we want to achieve. So what we will do is, and this is a task that I give, and almost every session will have a task. And when you come back for the next session, you will have to share with us what you achieved by doing that task. So your task is, you need to create a Word document and name it fellowship or my career path, something like that. Put today's date, 24th of December, 2021. Here where I stand. आप कहाँ खड़े हैं इस वक्त पे? Which means कि मेरी skills क्या हैं? Which means मेरे resources क्या हैं? Which means मेरे पास कितना time होता है every day, every week to invest into my personal development. This is what you need to do. So simple, it's very simple, but be realistic. So if I ask you, let's go one by one and ask 3 or 4 people, how much time do you think you can invest into your career development every week? This is a question. हर हफ्ते आप कितना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी कैरियर डेवलपमेंट के अंदर? सो पहले मैं पूछता हूँ अली हसन से. अली, how much time can you invest every week?
सर, इसमें मैं एक आपसे बात पूछना चाह रहा था कि is it specifically regarding LinkedIn profile building, or
did I even speak about LinkedIn?
No, you didn't.
Nothing about
career.
LinkedIn. This is nothing to do with
Right,
LinkedIn.
sir.
This is a
Right,
career
sir.
fellowship program. Okay.
Okay.
LinkedIn, I don't give for free. Okay. For LinkedIn, people pay $225 per person to join in my workshop, or $49 to buy my course. Okay.
Since I joined a bit late, so maybe I have missed your.
This is nothing to do with LinkedIn. This is a career fellowship program for anyone who is interested in building their careers. That's it.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm already investing around 6 hours per week by doing different kinds of courses.
इसमें कितना टाइम लगाओगे?
सर, इस पे मैं फिर ये कि इसमें आप 5 hours में per week, 5 to 6 hours per week.
Okay, hold your breath. 5 hours is the starting point that Ali says. Noman, how much time do you think you can invest into yourself every week is fellowship के लिए?
Sir, actually, I have Saturday and Sunday off, so I can give maximum 4 hours per day.
ठीक है. Done. Ehtesham.
So I am currently a student and not really working, so I have a lot of idle time for myself.
Good.
और मैं
How much time can you
2-3
commit?
hours
2-3 hours
आराम से 2-4 hours तक भी निकाल सकता हूँ अगर
per week.
कुछ मिलेगा तो नहीं per week ही per day.
Per day निकाल सकते हो. Great.
बिल्कुल.
Vasab, you are already working, mashallah, PSO. For several years, I worked in the building which is next to PSO. ये आपकी beautiful building के बराबर में glass tower के अंदर. So, आप कितना time निकाल सकते हैं per week?
सर असल इशू तो ये है कि रीजनेबली आप हाफ एन आवर टू 45 मिनट्स आप स्पेयर कर सकते हैं किसी भी लर्निंग एक्टिविटी के लिए.
Okay.
What challenge for me would be that I am currently also pursuing another program which I told you. So I need to balance it out. So
yes.
Realistically and reasonably, I can say that I can focus around 2.5 to 3 hours per week, but it can increase.
Okay. All right. So we started with 5 hours to 3 to 4 hours every day, and very realistically, Jawad Saab mein. Now, what I want from all of you is only in the next 12 weeks, only 18 hours of commitment altogether. Are you with me? Can you do that? Only 18 hours of commitment in the next 12 weeks. Anybody who will be with me for next 12 weeks with only 18 hours, or maybe less, it could be 16 hours too, but 18 hours, just keep that in mind. And, if you're fully committed, you will see a complete transformation. Okay. A complete transformation comes from your head, from your brain, the way you think. Okay. Rest of it, as Naseeb said, you have to implement it yourself. Okay. Great. I hope to see you. जी जवाद आप इनको ईमेल पे जो है इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दें और आपके पास ऑलरेडी इनके व्हाट्सएप नंबर्स नहीं है उसके अंदर डेटा शीट के अंदर अच्छा आप अपनी आसानी के ठीक है अपनी आसानी के लिए करें सो प्लीज कैन यू ऐड योर व्हाट्सएप नंबर इन द चैट बॉक्स ऑल ऑफ यू and then I will take only about 5 minutes because we are already 11 past here and I have to go for Jummah also here. तो मैं आपको quickly please सब लोग इसमें chat box के अंदर add your number and we'll create a WhatsApp group. Now in that WhatsApp group, do not share anything other than if you're asking a question about the fellowship or sharing something which is related to fellowship. ठीक है? So किसी किस्म का कोई sharing और नहीं होगी. Otherwise, anybody doing it, हमारे पास already इतने सारे WhatsApp groups होते हैं and nobody reads it. So let's create a value for our WhatsApp group so that we all could learn and grow. ठीक है जी. So जी Saqib, आपने हाथ रेस किया हुआ है. If you have a question.
Yes, sir. My question was if it's not possible on Sundays, kindly make it on Saturdays so that majority won't miss your session. Because the weekdays are obviously the busy days for everyone in Pakistan as well.
तो मेरा क्या मतलब मुझे एक बात बताओ आप कि why should I change my I'm giving out something, right?
Yes. I understand, sir, but all right. Is this session, recordable so that I can get the recording? I don't miss the teachings.
If people don't show up, they are not going to get recording. This session will be recorded. But
so as I told you that I'm a call center, employee. Okay. My job is from 7 p.m. in the evening from 5 a.m. through the morning. Okay. So it's not possible for me to join the session during I'm working. So that's why I was
आज कैसे join किया? Sir,
today is Christmas Eve.
अच्छा, ये Christmas Eve
And
की वजह से किया है.
yes,
Okay.
so
So
it's all good.
let's respect everyone's time, and if everybody agrees, for a Saturday, we can consider that. Okay.
All right.
But साकिब, ये नहीं हो कि हम Saturday move कर दें और साकिब साहब पर पूरे 12 हफ्ते कभी शक्ल ही ना दिखाएं.
Sir,
Right?
that's my responsibility.
ठीक है ना?
I'll
So
show
you're
up.
committing.
If I'm showing up right now, today, I'll show up every Saturday,
Good.
inshallah.
Good,
That's not a
inshallah.
problem.
All right, great. So let's create this WhatsApp group, Jawad, and if everybody is okay with a Saturday program, we can consider that also. Okay, because I really want to work with everyone who is committed now. So most of you only follow me on Facebook, I think. Not on LinkedIn. My own journey. जवाद साहब कह रहे हैं कि फ्राइडे करो, सैटरडे ना करो, फैमिली को प्रॉब्लम. So let's see जवाद साहब के मेजॉरिटी क्या कहती है, and then we will inshallah look at it. मेरी भी फैमिली है भाई जी, तो मेरी फैमिली तो कहती है you keep giving out your time to these causes. Anyways, चलें देखते हैं, but thank you for giving your suggestion. So what I'm saying is that most of you follow me on Facebook. Facebook पे मैं बहुत active नहीं हूँ, and the reason is very simple. I don't find a lot of committed people on Facebook. Facebook has a very different behavior. I find more opportunities, business opportunities for myself, growth opportunities, and networking opportunities more on LinkedIn. So I'm more active on LinkedIn, but I keep adding my thoughts here or there on Facebook also, but not very active. By degree, I'm an economist. I did my master's in economics, and I was based in Karachi throughout my life. From 1990 until 2006, early 2006, I worked at the British Consulate's office in Karachi. I was their head of commercial operation, an employee of British government for almost 17 years, 16.5 years. And then I was poached by a US organization, which is an international organization with 60 operations across the globe. And I worked with them for 14 years until March last year. My last position in that organization, I started with them as a consultant, then became the deputy country director, and then the country director, and then the regional director. So I was their regional director for the whole of Asia region. Physically, I worked in 12 countries, and implemented projects worth millions of dollars, all around development. I trained and coached people at board level. I'm also qualified board director from Pakistan Institute of Corporate Governance, and certified not-for-profit professional from US Chamber of Commerce. I have written books. I have grown my business as a LinkedIn coach and consultant since 1st of April last year. Before that, I used to give it for free, and as long as I was in Pakistan. And wherever I went, I coached people how to use LinkedIn for free. Never charged. But now it's my business, and this is how I'm growing my business at an international level. So that's a little bit of background. I'm giving my background towards the end because some 1 or 2 people who joined in earlier have left already, which means that they're not interested. So that's my background. And what I want to tell you is that you all can achieve it. Okay. You all can achieve it. You have to be very focused, very strategic, and very committed. If you have all that, you can all achieve it. And this is what I want you to experience in this 12 weeks fellowship program. So ideally, you should prepare what you have to prepare, जो कि मैंने भी आपको task दिया है, and email us on Career Fellowship email address. Jawad accesses that email address, and he will then share it with me in a document. And that will be our starting point. And I always say our starting point because, you know, we are not individuals. We are a group of people who are helping each other grow. Okay. So thanks for joining in, sparing time. And inshallah, we will work together. We will learn from each other and we'll grow together. With that, thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. It's a weekend for you. For me, I work 7 days a week. And I work at least 10 hours mostly. So for me, the weekend is just a day. And even on that day, I like to do things productively. So make yourselves productive and keep growing. Thank you very much. All the best. Assalamu alaikum. And please एक मिशन के साथ आइए, join कीजिए. And I'm sure if I can do it, if Naseeb can do it, you all can do it too. And Jawad is doing already. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
My name is